Jeremy, you run. Whoa! Oh, fuck! County, I'm hit. She was at the door and then closed it. Hello, Sheriff's Office.
Hey, she's getting some water right now. He's over there hiding by the pool.
By the pool. Where's the pool? Jeremy, you run from. Whoa! Ow, fuck! County shots fired. I'm hit.
County, give me some units out here.
I'm hit. Where are you hit, Nero? Where are you hit? You see him?
County 350, will you crown all of it? County, I'm 96-2.
Start cut through units if you have them, and medical. He's still up moving.
Which way is he moving?
He's down the ground still where you were at with the rifle.
Big tree with the V in it and get a better look.
You okay, Nero? Talk to me.
Do you have visual on him?
I don't. Do you guys?
No, I don't. What's his first name again?
Jeremy?
County 107, 204, 90.
Stop with 90s County for right now.
Brian, what's your injury?
We both have facial.
Okay, can you still see?
No, I can't.
Okay, where can we get you to cover? Are you in cover? There's no cover back here.
Can you cover me? car. Come on back. All right,
I can't see him. I don't know if he's moved or not after I shot him.
Jordan, can you see anything from where you're at? Jeremy! Jordan, can you see 107 and 204?
204, 102, we're good. Right now, we're taking cover behind 107 June. T14's in route.
Jeremy!
Right.
204, could you guys tell once I hit him?
We have 224 and EM en route with the drone.
Okay. Jordan, do you have your radio?
We're both behind cover.
Okay. Is his last known location still behind the pool where I think I shot him?
Affirm. Doesn't best I know.
Okay. Because I haven't seen him move anywhere. I know he fired one more time, but since then I haven't seen movement. And I do not have eyes on him.
Perfect. They got a 97 in there. Clear. OSBI's en route as well. 214, 102.
Go ahead.
You have a team of U.S. Marshals headed your way. They were in Gunfire at the time.
Okay. Mark, see if you can get 107 and 204 out.
Ready for 102. How do I need to come in?
You can go ahead and come in off of Terrell, but come to the east where my unit is.
Okay, I'm not far out.